Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your FundedNext account. So this is a full guide to this. The first step is after completing the challenges phases, click verify now, and then you should on your dashboard go to verification center via the profile section. Okay, so step number 2 says in the verification center, click start verification and then choose the scan or the scan QR code or send the verification link via SMS. Okay, so step number 3 says submit a valid national ID, okay, or driving permit or driving license or passport photo. So these are all vital documents you have to submit and they have to be valid, not expired. Step number 4 says upload the necessary documents via the link provided. After submission, confirm on your dashboard and proceed to agreement signing. Okay, and then enter the name and address and then agree to the terms and condition. Now the last step says your documents will be reviewed in 24 hours to 48 hours and you receive notification upon successfully verifying your FundedNext account. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.